Gaulis Empire. Now you may or may not be knowing, but I was recently in Calcutta. I was just with my friend, I was staying over at hers, I was talking to her, her friends, her family, her relatives and just other people from Calcutta, and they had this opinion about how it's just, you know, Calcutta's just different. It's not like Bombay. That's what every single person told me. So I was like, you know what? This makes for a good video. So my friend and I, we went out on the streets. We went to Park Street and we asked people from Calcutta what their opinion about this is. About how Calcutta is one of the major cities in India, like Mumbai and Delhi, but still why do people say that it is just this different thing? And some people had something really positive to say actually.
The people from here, they are very polite to everyone.
Yeah, that's true.
And they are very helpful to everyone.
Yes, they are friendly and it's actually called the City of Joy.
We try connecting to our roots and the atmosphere itself and mixing out with people. People are very friendly here, like they easily interact with you.
And honestly, with this whole friendly thing, I will not disagree. It's like, I was there with my family before for 2 days as well. It was super unplanned, so we needed help. And the amount of people who came forward to help us, people in Mumbai and Delhi and everywhere, they're friendly as well, but not the way people in Calcutta had been to us. But then obviously I wanted to know about what their opinion is on something which is possibly negative or which they would like to change.
In our case, our parents believe that you go out in the morning, study, but don't go to somewhere to party because they believe you will get raped or something bad will happen to them. But it's very difficult for us to make them understand that all people are not like the same, right? If you go to any pub, you won't get raped. Like that is the mindset is still like of the 20s.
It doesn't mean that if you're going out with an opposite gender that you will be end up into a trouble.
Yeah.
They can be your good friends as will be a protector as well.
I think in some parts people should let go of things and take the conservative part should reduce down.
We youngsters basically have to listen to our elders first. We don't have that much amount of freedom.
अगर मैं अपनी दादी को समझाने जाऊँ कि मॉम दादी मैं I want to be in cabin crew, घर से निकाल देंगे हम लोग.
A lot of people did mention things like women's safety, and I think that was somewhere a little bit expected. But another point that a couple of people mentioned, I was a little surprised.
There is only academic which is given a more pressure, and the other extracurricular activities you feel that it's not going to work.
Like modeling, dancing and singing, because they feel if you go for modeling and dancing, you have no future. But this is not right.
But it's not right.
We don't have the rights कि हम लोग अपना स्टडीज़ भी ढंग से अपने हिसाब से चूज़ कर सकें. तो ये सब के अलावा भी बहुत चीज़ है, जैसे मैं मारवाड़ी हूँ तो हम लोग के इतना कम है, हम लोग के उतना कम है, बट ये बंगालीज वगैरह के ये थोड़ा बेसी रहता है, उन लोग के ऊपर प्रेशर थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहता है इस सब चीज़ का.
In general in India there is I think more pressure for children to study, but as of what people told me on the streets, I think there is more in Calcutta. There were some other observations people made as well, some other points that they gave, and that was interesting as well.
Education थोड़ा low है rather than Mumbai or Delhi.
More English medium को ज़्यादा priority मिलता है rather than West Bengal board.
Future for our career, English is more
basic. This is very important for now generation. That's so. ये तो चेंज नहीं हो सकता कि इंग्लिश को हटा दे, हमको ही चेंज होना होगा.
There are no scopes of like colleges and stuff. Like they are preferring colleges outside India. So the higher studies and all they want to do abroad. So the one thing is that if we try changing this whole system only, why would people go abroad?
In the first year.
That is, Bengali peoples are like a bit lazy, you know, seriously.
Because the people of Calcutta are very laid back, whereas people in Mumbai, they are very fast.
And their lives are compared to people of here are very fast. They are very hardworking as well. We are very lazy actually here.
Okay. Actually, I am working for an NGO in here, and I know. But मैंने जब मुंबई का एक NGO है वहाँ पर मैंने DNA इवेंट्स पे मैं काम कर रहा था वहाँ पे, तो वहाँ का मैंने जो बात सुना कि वहाँ पर उतना बहुत सारे NGOs है, बहुत सारा काम होता है वहाँ पे, लेकिन यहाँ पर उतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, बहुत एक्टिव नहीं है यहाँ के ऐसे NGOs में कुछ भी. तो मैं जिस फील्ड से हूँ मैं उस फील्ड के बारे में ही बस बताना चाहता हूँ बस.
And that was our survey, I can say. A big thank you to my friend Sejal who was there with me to shoot this video. Since you've seen this, if at all you want to see like my Calcutta vlog about my travel over there, that video is going to be up on the second channel in a day or two, something of that sort. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about your city. What changes would you want to make? Please just subscribe because I make 2 new videos every single week. Bye! I'll see you very soon.